Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 10 latest defense updates. Number 1, unveiling blended wing body tail sitter. Bangalore based Open Drone Private Limited, operating under the brand name Airbound, has introduced a groundbreaking drone design aimed at revolutionizing rural healthcare delivery. The company's new blended wing body tail sitter drone embodies a development philosophy focused on making a deep impact on real lives by addressing the critical issue of healthcare accessibility in remote areas. Next, Indian mortar shells spotted in Ukraine. A recent video emerging from Ukraine has sparked a flurry of discussions around India's possible involvement in supplying ammunition to the war-torn nation. The video reportedly shows Ukrainian gunners preparing a 120 mm mortar shell manufactured by Munition India Limited, a state-owned defense enterprise. Next, historic deal for Nepalese Army Mi-17 helicopters. Mumbai-based Aman Aviation and Aerospace Solution has made history by securing a contract to perform maintenance, repair and overall service on the Nepalese Army's Mi-17 helicopters. This groundbreaking achievement marks a significant milestone for India's aerospace industry, as it is the first time an Indian MRO company has been entrusted with such a crucial task for Russian-made military helicopters. Next, praise for DRDO Mahindra WHAP 8x8. Anand Mahindra, chairman of Mahindra Group, has expressed immense pride in the development of the DRDO Mahindra wheeled armored platform 8x8 in a social media post. He highlighted the vehicle's capabilities, including its amphibious nature, optimized engine performance for high-altitude operations, and advanced CBRN, that is chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear protection measures. Next, the gun carriage project, a report. A pivotal stride in India's self-reliance in defense manufacturing was initiated in 1977-78 with the commencement of the gun carriage project. This ambitious undertaking aimed to develop an indigenous prototype for the 105 mm field gun IFG Mk2, excluding the barrel and recoil system. The project, a collaborative effort between the gun carriage factory and the Armor Research and Development Establishment, marked a significant step towards India's capability to produce advanced artillery system indigenously. Next, countdown for SSLV D3 EOS-08 mission to begin 6 hours before launch. The countdown for tomorrow's SSLV D3 EOS-08 mission will begin about 6 hours before the launch from the spacecraft of Sriharikota. Indian Space Research Organization sources told UNI on Thursday that it would be about 6 hours countdown. It is expected to commence at around 3 a.m. early tomorrow morning. The 175.5 kg Earth Observation Satellite 08 and SR-0 Demosat passenger satellite will be launched by the small satellite launch vehicle from the Sriharikota on Friday. Nalin Prabhat, the new Director General of J&K Police. Nalin Prabhat, an Indian Police Service, that is IPS officer of 1992 batch of Andhra Pradesh cadre, is set to become the new DGP of Jammu and Kashmir, while the present DGP R.R. Swain will get a special assignment after his retirement on September 30th this year. Next, electric propulsion system. General Electric's power conversion business has proposed its integrated full electric propulsion system for the Indian Navy's upcoming aircraft carrier. This advanced propulsion system promises enhanced efficiency, survivability, and the cost effectiveness compared to traditional propulsion methods. Next, combat management system for new Scorpene submarines. In a significant boost to India's defense manufacturing capabilities, the French naval group, the partner in the Scorpene submarine project, has announced that the combat management system for the upcoming 3 Scorpene submarines will be indigenously developed by Bharat Electronics Limited, while the core technology will be based on French architecture. The actual system will be designed and built in India. Next, seeking versatile tracked platform for air defense. The Ministry of Defense, Government of India has announced its intent to procure the Carrier Air Defense Tracked System, that is, in short, we say CADET, that is CADET, to meet the Indian Army's growing needs for air defense in support of mechanized platforms across various units. This procurement is aimed at addressing the Army air defense requirement for a common tracked platform that can serve as a versatile carrier for both current and future equipment. Thank you.